Right.
Good evening, boys. You having a good time at the air show?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah?
Time,
Yeah, great. What's your name?
Tickle Timpson.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Toby Teignmouth.
Toby, that's a nice name. What's your name?
Right, my name's Will Holden. Corey McRae. Louis Moore. My name's Henry Bradshaw.
Okay, nice one.
Louis Moore. I'm Wolf Morris.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name? What's your mate's name? The two at the back. You having a good time? You looking forward to the planes tomorrow?
Yeah.
Still the planes? Yeah. Let's look at the trainers. What trainers you got on there?
I've got some Air Forces, they're a bit beaten at the moment.
Okay, what you got on?
I've got the Air Forces a bit beaten up.
Yeah, looking good, looking good. Looking
These
good.
are beaten like when my dad smacked me. Oi. Whoa, mate.
Okay.
The jokes aren't landing,
That's
mate.
nice, that's nice. Yeah, yeah.
What, you think that was a
Well, have a great time, boys. Big up the next generation at the air show. Take care. Peace out. Peace out.